a project straight from the heart, giving back to those who have given so much for our country. Welcome to Local Living. I'm Amber Marcella. Today we're celebrating the Veteran Tiny Home Giveaway, an incredible initiative from Bay Law Injury Attorneys and their community partners. Joining me are Deniz Bayramoglu, Managing Attorney of Bay Law Injury Attorneys, Air Force veteran and home recipient Edwin Santiago Colon, and Jeff Gibson from JAG Development. So Deniz, let's start with you. What was the selection criteria used by Bay Law Injury Attorneys to decide who would get this incredible award?
So we invited members from the veteran community and community members in general to help us with that process. And we wanted to make sure that we got it right. So we were looking at things like the need that they had, the growth potential that they had, their family situation and their current living situation, among various other things. And that way we could really make sure that we got some of the best applicants and the finalists, and ultimately the winner, Edwin, here.
Well, Edwin, congratulations to you. I'm sure it feels amazing.
Yes, it does.
You're the first one ever to receive this. So what does new home ownership mean to you in your future?
It means everything. It means peace. It means living right. It means a new opportunity, upgrade in life. You know, I have a home for me and my doggy, and I can bring my mom. So it's everything to me. It's all I ever wanted all my life. I never had my first home. So I'm just glad to call it that mine. Yes, thank you.
You deserve it, yeah. So Jeff, where is the parcel of land for this home, and when can Edwin move in?
So that's exciting news. We've been working on this for over a year now, finding the piece of property that is zoned for this stuff. It's going to actually be downtown Henderson on Texas. We secured the property a couple weeks ago, and we are going through redevelopment and zoning right now. And probably within like 4 to 6 months, we'll be placing not only his house, but 32 other homes just like it.
So, okay, Deniz, you must have learned a lot about our veteran community here in Southern Nevada during this process. How has that impacted you?
It's really tugged at my heartstrings to see what's out there. It's been challenging to see the need, and we didn't know what we didn't know. All we knew was that we had a house that we wanted to donate to a veteran. And the process of getting it, the landing gear built on that plane so we can actually physically land this thing has been a process. And the veteran community embraced us with open arms. They really made us feel welcomed, and there was no rivalry, there was no politics. They really said, if you're here to do good, we're here to help you. So they were really that helping hand that we needed to make sure that we could get it done. The executive committee that selected who was the recipient of it was comprised of all of these various community partners and the veterans. They were able to look at things from a different perspective, help us understand some of the nuances that we don't know as far as what is an honorable discharge, other than honorable, general, under honorable, the DD 214, which I'd heard from for the first time, all of these military jargon that goes into this so that we can make sure that we have somebody who's really on a redemption path, somebody who's making themselves better and in turn making the community better, which is exactly what Edwin is with his support that he does with the Salvation Army and as a peer support specialist and what he does for the veteran services. It's really fantastic. And I couldn't have done it without the entire community that kind of rallied around the cause.
That's wonderful, and it sounds like you learned a lot throughout the process as well. So
it's been amazing.
Yeah, congratulations again, Edwin. So that information is Bay Law Injury Attorneys, baylawinjury.com. You can reach them at 702-710-7000. This is the Tiny Home Giveaway Project in partnership with JAG Development and local veterans organizations. All right, well, thank you all so much for talking with us today. Congratulations again to you, Edwin.
Thank you.
What you're doing is incredible, and we really appreciate what you're doing for our community. So thank you so much. You're watching Local Living, and I'm Amber Marcella. I'll see you next time.